Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable dark mode on the Spendee Budget Planner application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee app on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or by using your social accounts. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the timeline page. From here, in order to change the application theme, just click on the More option at the bottom right corner. From here, scroll down and then click on Advanced, and this will show you all of the available advanced settings. From here, just click on Appearance, and now you can choose from Dark and Light theme. You can also choose the Automatic option, which will apply whichever theme your device is currently using. So if your device is on dark mode, then this option will set the application to dark mode as well. And if your device is in light mode, then this will also set up the application in light mode. You can have these options overrun by simply choosing your appearance between the dark and the light theme. After you have chosen your desired application theme, it will be applied to your app right away. Now, if you wish to change this at any point in time, you can once again go back to the advanced settings and then change your appearance from light to dark. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable dark mode on the Spendee Budget Planner app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.